Hey everyone, it's Rob from the Mako EA. This is an update video for Tuesday, the 14th of January 2020. So let's have a look at what happened today for the Mako EA. Okay, so the market we were trading this morning was the cable market. This is the US dollar versus the GB pound. And you can see now we've got a balance of 3,649 and 32 cents. We started off on, I think it was the 22nd of December. But just in this short time, we've gained a profit of 600 and just on shy of $650, which is pretty cool. So we're looking at a monthly return now of around about 20 to 25%, which is pretty awesome by anybody's standards. So we're very, very pleased with that. And this is where we are. So if you do want to actually look at this, the links to below this video in the chat on YouTube, on every update videos, they're always there. You can always track and make a note of this, bookmark the page, and you can see how well this particular EA is doing. It's really, really cool. If you do want to join this, and I would recommend it, obviously, because not only is it mine, but it's doing really, really well, and it's making a lot of money for a lot of people. And you can come on board. You can get in touch with us. You can ask more questions about what it does, how it works. If you want to, just email us. And we're more than happy to show you around and just show you. I mean, we know now that this EA is in the top 5% in the world of actually returning on the return of investment. It is that good. So let's quickly look at the market now, see what's happened. I'll just bring this across. The rumour this morning was that the Bank of England was looking to cut the interest rates for borrowing here in the UK sometime this year, obviously next few months. So that didn't do so well. Obviously, when the interest rates are going to be cut, then you know the currencies always suffer, and the market doesn't like that. So this is where we are this morning. Now I'm using USGFX live here, and you can see this is an hour. It's an hour difference. The time now is 19:37, so it's basically a plus an hour. So this morning we were looking at around about sort of 8:45. This area around this area here is where we set off the EA. Now we went underwater for a little while because we had a bit of a downward move. This is a 15-minute window, by the way. And then the market then we got in about somewhere around about here. So we obviously went underwater, and all of a sudden the market came down. Now the great thing about this EA, it will add trades both ways. It doesn't matter which way the market is going, it will go with the market. So at this point here we got out. Okay, the profit target had been hit. Now if we'd have stayed in, okay, then we would have gone underwater again. But you can see from this point onwards on the 15-minute window all day long, we've had a bit of a rise up to around about sort of lunchtime here. Then we had a bit of a drop, but ever since then, sort of mid-afternoon time, then the market has kind of recovered from where it was yesterday. So if we look in where we were yesterday, we were looking at this kind of news breaking about the interest rates where the pound was coming down, and overnight this is kind of sort of gone across here, came up a little bit, then went down, but it's kind of recovered to back where it was. And we've got the 55 moving average there when it's gone broken through that on the hourly, and it looks like it's well over now. It's well over 130, and it's been over that point now for a few hours. So we'll see what tomorrow brings. It doesn't really matter which way the market goes, because the Mako EA will trade with the market, and once it hits that profit target, then that's job done. So there you go, guys. That's the update for today. So if we'll have the EA running tomorrow, I'll do another update. And great that we are making a profit. Today was just over 1% on the account, which is brilliant. That's all we need. And average is 1% or just over 1% on every single trading day. So like I say, if you want to be part of the Mako EA, just obviously get hold or click on the links just below this video, and you can ask them some questions. There's a contact us form there. You can ask me directly, you can ask Glenn, the other guy involved in this, and we'll show you everything what you need to know about the Mako EA. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.